Most people over 50 are sitting on something that is incredibly valuable, and they don't even realize it. The skills that you learned in your career, those problems that you solved in life, the things you've helped your friends and your family with for years, there is a very good chance that someone online would actually pay to learn that from you. Now, think about this for a moment. What is something that you know how to do today that would have saved you months or even years of frustration if somebody had simply shown you earlier? Just think about that for a second. Maybe it's something from your career, managing a team, maybe like organizing a business, handling finances. Maybe it's a little skill like getting out of debt, navigating menopause, like raising kids, or maybe it's a passion like gardening, cooking, painting, even learning how to use technology. That knowledge right there might actually be the beginning of an online income stream for you. And the surprising part is you don't need to be an expert. You just need to be one step ahead of somebody else. In this video, I want to share a simple way for you to think about your experience that could completely change how you see making money online. Now, before we go any further, let me introduce myself in case we've never met. My name is Wendy. I am a 57-year-old Galammy from Ontario, Canada, and today I help people learn how to create income online using skills that they already have. A few years back, we realized how stupid short for retirement we were, and I knew that something had to change because I did not want to be working forever, which was the trajectory of our life. So I decided to start learning digital marketing skills and building an online business from my laptop. That journey completely changed my life. And today I share what I've learned with others who want to do the same thing. But here's the interesting part. The number one thing that stops people from even trying is believing they have nothing valuable to share. People say things like, well, I'm not an expert. I don't have a course. I have no idea what I would even sell online. But the truth is, most people already know things that somebody else is searching for help with right now. Let me ask you a simple question. If you were drowning, would you only accept help from someone with a lifeguard certification? Of course not. Or would you grab the hand of anyone who could pull you to safety? Because when someone needs help, credentials are not the most important thing to them. What matters is that someone knows the way out. And that's exactly how learning works online. People want someone who has already solved the problem that they're facing. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, could I actually turn something that I know into income? I actually walk through that inside a free training that I did called the Passion to Profits. In that workshop, I show you how people take their knowledge, their life experience, or their passions, how they can turn them into a digital product and how they can layer in income streams. So if you want to check that out, you can grab the link in the description below. Now, here's why most people miss this opportunity for themselves. We spend most of our lives learning things just to solve our own problems. We learn how to manage money, raise families, deal with health challenges, or develop skills in our careers. But we rarely stop and think that these things that we learned could actually help somebody else. Yet online, there are people searching every single day for someone who has already figured out the thing that they are struggling with. Which brings me to a very simple idea. Most people think they need to be 20 steps ahead of somebody before they teach them something, but that is not true. You just need to be one step ahead of them. The person who is just starting the journey you already went through does not need a professor. They need someone who remembers what those first steps felt like. Let me give you a real example from my own life. About 17 years ago, my husband and I went through a program that taught us how to get out of debt and how to manage our personal finances. Now, here is something really interesting. My husband is actually an accountant, so he understands money and finances, but he does that professionally. But like many people, that education didn't really teach us how to run our own household finances. I mean, he dealt with millions of dollars and we were dealing with thousands of dollars. So how to create a budget and build a spending plan that works in real life. We did not know that. But when we followed that program and applied the steps to our own life, we completely changed how we handled our money. We got ourselves out of debt. So yay us, right? Because we went through the process ourselves, we understand exactly what it takes. And now we've helped other people follow those same steps and strategies too. And this is exactly the point I want you to see. You do not have to be the world's top expert to help somebody. Sometimes simply going through the process yourself and figuring out what works gives you the experience somebody else needs. The person who's struggling today doesn't need that textbook. They need somebody who has walked in their shoes, who can say, I've been where you are, and here's what helped me move forward. We often connect with people who have a similar journey to ours. For example, if I saw somebody else in their 50s who was going through menopause and was losing weight, I myself would say, hey, how are you doing that? What program are you learning from? How did you get that to work for yourself? You want to learn from somebody who's walking the path, who is where you want to be. And you want to ask them how they did it because you can see yourself in their story. But if somebody much younger who's never experienced menopause or being in their 50s is teaching it, even if they have all the certificates, it's harder to relate to them. Like, we trust people who understand what we're going through because they've lived it themselves. Their story gives us hope that we can do it too. And this is exactly why you see me here sharing my journey on this channel. Today, I teach people exactly, those of us over 50 like me, how to create income online and simplify the process of learning these skills. Like, the reason I share this is because I struggled with it myself. I wanted the freedom and the flexibility that building an online business could give me. But when I first started, I didn't have the tools or the strategies or know what actually worked. In fact, I lost money on my journey, trying this, trying that. And I know there are many people who can relate to my story. Maybe you're looking at retirement and realizing that you are short as well. Maybe you want to learn how to earn income online, but you're not sure where to start or what program would actually work for you. That is why I share my experience and what worked for me, so I can help others who are in that exact same position. If you're curious about the exact program that helped me to get started, you can grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint. It is in the description below. It will walk you through the foundation that helped me finally understand how this online business world works, right? Like, it gave me the tools. Now, you might be wondering how people actually turn something that they know into income online. Here's the simple version. First, you have to identify something that you already know that could help somebody else. This could come from your career, your life experience, or even a passion. Second, you need to turn that knowledge into something simple that can help people, such as a guide, a digital product, or a short training even. And third, learn how to share that with the right audience online so the people who need it can actually find you. When those three things come together, that is when people start building an income around knowledge that they already have. Now, if this idea of turning something that you already know into income online is interesting to you, then this next video you should watch is this one right here. It's the video that I show you how one simple passion or a skill that you have can turn into multiple different income streams using YouTube as the foundation. So click on this video and I will see you over there, my friend.